Hi dear children, I am very happy to say you all respond very well after the first maths class. Thank you so much. Our first maths class we learned how to write and how to read the number names of 5-digit number. We can revise once again. Okay. We know which are the place value chart of 5-digit number. Okay. First right side will come ones. Left of the one side we have 10 place. Left of the 10 place we have hundreds place. Left of the 100 place we have 1000. Then left of the 1000 we have 10,000. These are the place value chart of 5-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay. Then now I will give, we know which is the smallest 5-digit number. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. Okay. Here I will write another number. Okay. 36810. This number I given to you 36810. We can see how to read number name of this number, this 5-digit number. We learned we can divide it by this number in 3 parts. Okay, the first one tens and ones together. The first part tens and ones together. Then second part 100. Then third part 1000 and 10,000. Okay. This is in one family, tens and ones together. This is in hundreds family. This is in thousand family. 10,000 and 1,000 together. Look here. Here 1,000 family. Here we have which number? Number 36. Number 36. This is the 2-digit number. That means 36,000. THIRTY 36. SIX 36. This is in which family? 1,000 family. Then 36,000. Then next we have 100 place. Here 100 place we have which number? 8. That means EIGHT 8. This is in which family? 100. 800 HUNDRED 800. The last 2 digit we want to read together. 10. This is which number? 10. Okay. 36,810. Okay, this is the number name of this number 36,810. We learned how to write the number names of 5-digit number. Now we can see how to change number names into numerals. Here we have number that we change to number names. Now we can change number names into numerals. Okay, we can look. Now I will give you number names. That number names we want to change to numerals. Numerals means number. Okay, here we solve numbers into number name. Okay, I will give you number. That number we change to number name. Now I will give you number name. That number we want to change to numerals. Okay, this number name we want to change to numerals. Children, we learned how to write the number names. Okay, how to change numbers into number name. Today we are going to study write the numerals. Write the numerals. Okay, numerals means what? Number. Okay, now I will give you number names. That number name we want to change to numerals, numbers. Okay, listen here. First one 32,000 600 and 23. Okay, this is very simple. 32,623. Here we have number names. Okay, we can see how to change this number name into numerals. Here 32,623. We learned place value chart of numbers. Okay, first we have ones. Left of the ones we have tens place. Left of the tens place we have 100. Then left of the hundreds we have 1000. Then left of the 1000 we have 10,000. Okay, now we can see 32,000. Look here, 1000 place which number? Here 1000 place we have which number? 1000 place we have 32. Okay, this is number 32. In the 1000 family, we have which number? 32. 32 is the 2-digit number. Okay, 32. Then listen here. In the 1000 place, we want to write 2. 10,000 column, we want to write 3. Okay, total how many thousand here? 32. 10,000 column, we want to write 3. In the 1000 place, we want to write 2. That is 32,000. Clear to you? Then after next place we have which one? 100. Okay, 100 place. Okay, then hundreds place we have which number here? 1000 place we have 32. That number we want to write in that same place 1000. That means 10,000 place we want to write 3. Then 1000 place we want to write 2. That is 32,000. Next we have which place? Hundreds. 100 place we have which number? How many hundreds here? 6. That 6 you want to write in the 100 place. That is 600. Okay, the next one, last 2 place we want to take together 23. This is number 23. 2 we want to write in tens position. 3 we want to write in ones place. Okay, that is 32,623. Look here, 32,623. Then one more example we can see. Listen here. Here first one we have 8,699. 699. 699. 8,699. We know the place value chart of 5-digit numbers. Okay, first we have ones. Left of the ones we have tens. Left of the tens we have hundreds. Left of the hundreds we have 1000. Left of the 1000 we have 10,000. This is our first step. After we can look this number name. In the 1000 place we have which number? 1000 place we have which number? 8. Here only 8. 8 is the single digit number, not 2-digit number. Then listen here. Then 8 which place we want to write? 10,000 column or 1000 column? Here we have only single digit number 8,000, that we want to write in 1000 place. Suppose here we have 82,000. Then we first number we want to write in 10,000 column. Then second number we want to write in 1000 place. This is means 82,000 what? 80 plus 2000. 80,000 plus 2000. That is 82,000. Then 10,000 place will come 80. Then 1000 place will come 2. Okay, here we have only 8,000. That is the single digit number that you want to write in 1000 place. Don't write here. Okay, then here we have only 8,000, then that we want to write in 1000 place. Okay, then after we have which place? 100. 100 place we have which number? 6. Then where is 100 place? Here. Here we want to write number 6. Okay, next we have 99. Then tens and ones place we want to write 99. This you read 8,699. Okay, 8,699. Look here, here we have 80,000, then we want to write here 8 and here 0. 2 digit we have, then first number we want to write in 10,000 place, then second number we want to write in 1,000 place. Here we have only one number, that means single digit, that you write in 1,000 place. Okay, then 8,699. Then now we can see one more example, 40,072. 40,072. What is our first step? First step, we want to write place value chart. Place value chart. We know ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is our first step. Okay, after we can see in the 1,000 place which number? 40. 40. 40 means what? 40. That is 40. Here we have 2 digit. 40. That means 40. 40. 2 have. Then 2 digit we have. Then 10,000 column we want to write 4. Then 1,000 column we want to write 0. That is 40,000. Clear? Okay. That is 40,000. Then and next place we have hundreds. Next place we have 100. Then 100 place we have which number? No. Okay. Any number here 100 place? 40,073. 72 only. Not 100 here. Then what we want to do? This time 100 place we want to write 0. Okay. Okay. 100 place we have no number. Then in the 100 place we want to write 0. Okay, then next we have 72. Then tens place we want to write 7. Then ones place we want to write 72. Then after we can read 40,000. Then in the 1,000 family we have which number? 40. 40,072. 100 place we have 0, nothing. Okay, that means 40,072. Next one, 82,003. 82,003. We can check ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, then 82,000. 82. Here we have 2 digits. 82,000. 80,000 plus 2,000, that is 82,000. Then 10,000 place we want to write which number? 8. Then 1,000 place we want to write 2, that is 82,000. This is in 1,000 family, that is 82,000. When next one 100 place. 100 place we have any number? Okay, we have any number? 82,000. 1,000 after only 3. Not 100. Then here you want to put 0. The last one, look, 82,003. 3 is the single digit number. Look here. Here we have 72. Then 7 we want to write 72. Then 7 we want to write in the tens place. Then 2 we want to write in the ones place. Here we have only 3. Not 2 digit number. That is the single digit number. Single digit number will come ones place. Okay, then 10 place we have no number. Then the last one place we want to write 3. Look here, 82,003. Clear? 82,003. Not write this way 3 and 0. This is wrong. This is what? 82,030. Okay, 30. 13 is the 2 digit number. Then first place we want to write 3. Second place we want to write tens place we want to write 3. Then ones place we want to write 0. Listen here. Here we have only 3. That means tens place we want to write 0. Ones place we want to write 3. That is 82,003. One more example. Look here. Here we have 32,361. 32,361. First, what is our first step? First step, we want to write the place value chart. Then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Look here, 32,000. 32,000. This is 32,000. 32,000. Here we have two number. Then first number we want to write in 10,000 column. Then 1,000 column we want to write 2. That is 32,000. This is in 1,000 family. That is 32,000. Okay. Then next one. In the 100 place we have which number? 3. Then 100 place we want to write number 3. Then 32,300. Last two one 61. 61 means what? 6 is in the tens place. The last digit, only single digit number 61. Then that number we want to write in ones place. Okay. 32,361. Okay. Next one. 90,000. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. Okay. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90,445. Very simple. First we want to write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, here 90,000, 90, not 9, 90. That means 90, 90. That is 90, 90,000. Then first number 9 we want to write here. Then 0 want to write, 9 we want to write in 1,000 place, 10,000 place. 0 we want to write in 1,000 place. That is 90,000. 90,000. In the 100 place we have 400. Then next one, tens and ones place 45. Here we have two digits. Then first digit we want to write in tens place. Then 5 we want to write in ones place. That is 45. Then 45. Listen here. 90,445. Okay. 90,000. Then 10,000 and 1,000 place we want to write 90. 90. The 100 place we want to write 4. Then 400. The tens and ones place. Tens place we want to write 4. Ones place we want to write 5. Then 90,445. Okay. Then next one, third question, 77,033. Then what is our first step? First step we want to write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now we can see in the 1,000 place we have which number? 77. Here we have two digits, 77,000. That means 17 we want to write in 10,000 place. Another one we want to write in 1,000 place. That is 77,000. How many 100? Here I have 100? No. Then 100 place we want to write 0. Okay. Then last one 33. 33. That means 77,033. This is what? 77,033. The next one, 65,000. 65,009. 65,009. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We can see 67,000, 1,009 and 9. 65,000 and 9. Here 1,000 place we have which number? 65. Then 10,000 place we want to write 6. Then 1,000 place we want to write 5. That is 65,000. Okay. Then after in the 100 place we have any number? No. Then 100 place we want to write 0. Then look here. The last number 9. Okay. 9. 65,000 and 9. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Here 10 place we have no. Okay, no number. Okay. 10 place we have any number? No. Then that place we want to put 0. The last ones place we want to write 9. That is 65,000 and 9. 65,000 and 9. Last one look. 8,207. 8,207. Then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here 8,000. Okay, only one number 8. This is the single digit number. 8 is the single digit number. Then there only 8,000. Then which place we want to write 8,000 place, not 10,000 place. We have 2 digit here. Then one number we can write in 10,000 place. Then another number we can write in 1,000 place. But look here. Here we have only 8,000. That is the single digit number that you write in the 1,000 place. 8,000. Then in the 100 place we have any number? Okay, 200. Okay, here we have number 2. 200. Then and 7. And 7. Okay, then 7 where we want to write? 10 place we have no number. Then there you want to put 0. The last place you write 7. That is 82,007. 82,007. Listen here. First one 32,361. 32,361. Then 32. Then 1,000 place we want to write 32. That means 32. Then 100 place we want to write 3. 300. Then 100 place we want to write 3. Then last number together. Then 61. Tens and ones place we want to write 61. Okay. Then second one 90,445. 90,445. All of you listen here. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y, not F-O-U-R-T-Y. That is wrong. F-O-R-T-Y. This is our modern term. Okay. F-O-R-T-Y, 45. Look here. How many thousand here? 90. 90 means 90. That is 90. 90. How many thousand here? 90,000. The 1,000 place we want to write 90. How many 100 here? 4. The 100 place we want to write 4. The last 45. Tens and ones place we want to write 45. That is 90,445. Next one 77,033. Listen here. 77,000 after 33 only. Look here, only 33. Then how many thousand here? 77. Then 10,000 and 1,000 place we want to write 77. Then next place we have 100. Look here, here we have 100 place. We have any number? No. Then that place we want to write 0. 77,000. 1,000 after only 33. Okay, 100 is here? No. Then that place you write 0. Then next last 2 digit 33. That is 77,033. Very simple. The last one 65,000 and 9. 65,000 and 9. And 9. N-I-N-E. 65,009. We know 1,000 place we have which number? 65. Then we want to write 10,000 place 6. 1,000 place 5. That is 65,000. This is in 1,000 family. Then 65,000. 100 place we have any number? 65,000 after only 9. No. Then that place you put 0. Then 10 place we have any number? No. That place also you put 0. The last one number here. Which number? 9. That is in 1 place. 65,009. Next one 8,207. 8,207. Look here. Here in the 1,000 place only 8,000. Okay, only 8,000. 8 is the single digit number. We have 2 digit number. Then one number we can write in the 10,000 place. Other number we can write in the 1,000 place. Listen here. Here only 8,000. Only 8,000. That is the single digit number. Then this 8 you write in 1,000 place, not 10,000 place. This number we want to write in 1,000 place. Okay. How many 100 here? 200. The 100 place we want to write 2. Then and 7. Only 7. Then 10 place we want to write 0. The 1 place we want to write 7. That is 8,207. I hope you understand how to change number names into numerals. Okay, what is our first step? First we want to write place value chart of 5 digit number. Okay, after in each place we have which number, that number you put in that place. Very simple. Okay, suppose there is not 100, then 100 place you put 0. Okay, in each place we have which number, that number you write in that correct place. I hope you understand how to change number names into numerals. Numeral means numbers. Okay, how to change number names into numerals. Next we can move our another topic. Children, now we can see our next topic, successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. What is successor? Okay, you learned your previous classes. What is successor? The number that comes just after a number is called successor. Okay, the number that comes just after a number is called successor. Okay, that means one more than the number. One more than the number. Okay, one more than the number. More than the number. That is successor. What is successor? What is successor? Successor means the number that comes just after a number, that is called successor. Otherwise, one more than the number, then otherwise number plus 1. Number plus 1. That is successor of that number. What comes after? What comes after? What comes after? After. This is successor. Successor means the number that comes just after a number is called successor. Otherwise, one more than the number, then otherwise number plus 1. Next one, what comes after? That is successor. Then one example I will tell you 2. What is the successor of this number? What is the successor of this number? We know what is successor, one more than the number, otherwise this number plus 1, otherwise what comes after 2. That is the successor of this number. Then what comes after this number? Then 3. Otherwise this number plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, what is that answer? Number 3. That is the successor of number 2. Okay, what is successor? Successor means what comes after. Otherwise, that number plus 1, then one more than the number. That is successor. One more example I will tell you. Listen here. We already learned 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. We can take 3-digit number. 323. What is the successor of 323? Then first step, one more than the number. One more than the number means 323. After next number, we know 324. That is the successor of this number. Otherwise, this number plus 1. That is the second one. Then 323. What is the successor of 323? That means 323 plus 1. 323 plus 1. What is that answer? 3 plus 1, 4, then 2, then 3. 324. 324. Then otherwise, we already learned what comes after. Then what comes after 323? What comes after 323? 324. Listen here. What is successor? One more than the number. Otherwise, that number plus 1. Next one, what comes after? That is successor. Then successor means what comes after. What comes after? Otherwise, that number plus 1. Successor means number plus 1. Number plus 1. Then one more example. What is the successor of 6283? What is the successor of 6283? We can look, successor of this number means this number plus 1. That means 6283 plus 1. Okay, then 3 plus 1, 4. Then 8, 2, 6. 6. What is the successor of 6283? Successor of this number is 6284. That is the successor of 6283. Successor means what comes after. That means this number plus 1. That is the successor. Successor number plus 1. Successor means number plus 1. Otherwise what comes after. Then one more example. 8003. Okay, what is the successor of 8003? That means 8003 plus 1. Then that answer is successor of 8003. Then 8003 plus 1. We can see 8003 plus 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Then 0, 0, 8. That is 8004. Okay. Successor of 8003 is 8004. That means 8003 plus 1. We get successor of this number. That is 8004. Then successor means what comes after. Successor means what comes after. Otherwise that number plus 1. Then that is the that result is the successor of that number. Okay. Then what is predecessor? We know successor means what? What comes after. Otherwise that number plus 1. Then what is predecessor? Very simple, that opposite. That means what comes before. What comes before. Otherwise that number minus 1. Minus 1. Successor means what comes after. Otherwise that number plus 1. Then predecessor means what? What comes before. Otherwise minus 1. We can see. Okay. Predecessor. Predecessor. Predecessor means what comes before. What comes before. What comes before. Otherwise then that number minus 1. Number minus 1. That is predecessor. Okay, we can see 328. What is the predecessor of this number 328? We know predecessor means what comes before this number. Otherwise this number minus 1. 328 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, what is that answer? 7. Then 2, 3. Okay. Then what is the predecessor of 328? 327. This means before this number. What comes before 328? 327. Okay. Very simple. Successor means what comes after. Otherwise that number plus 1. That result is the successor of that number. Then predecessor means what comes before. Before means that number minus 1. Okay, we can do some exercise. Listen here. Successor and predecessor of a number. Very simple. Successor. Here we want to write predecessor. Here number, here successor. Okay, we can see. Okay, here I will write 483, 6,281, 4,000, 49,327, 8,009. Here we wrote some numbers. Okay, 483, 6,281, 49,327, 8,009. What is the predecessor and successor of this number? We can check. Predecessor means before. Successor means after. That means predecessor means minus 1. Successor means plus 1. Okay, predecessor means that number minus 1. Successor means that number plus 1. Here what comes after? Here what comes before? First one, 483. Okay, what is the predecessor of 483? We know predecessor means minus 1. That means 483 483 minus 1. 483 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. Then 8 and 4. Then 482 is the predecessor of this number. Then what is the successor of this number? Successor we know plus 1. This number plus 1. Okay, successor means this number plus 1. Predecessor means this number minus 1. Then 483 plus 1. What is the result? 3 plus 1, 4. Then 8, 4. Then 484. Very simple. 483. Successor of 400, predecessor of 483 means this number minus 1. Then 483 minus 1 we get 482. Then successor means this number plus 1. That means 483 plus 1 we get 3 plus 1 for 8 for 484. Then what is the predecessor of 483? 482 before number. What is the predecessor of 483? Successor of 483? Then 484. That means next number. Then next same way we can see this also. 6281. That means 6281 minus 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Then 8, 2, 6. Then what is the predecessor of this number? 6280. Predecessor of 6281. What is the predecessor of 6281? That number minus 1 we get 6280. Same way successor. That means next number. Otherwise this number plus 1. Then 6281 plus 1. Then 1 plus 1. 2, then 8, 2, 6, this 6282. Same way 49,327. Predecessor of this number is 49,327 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6, 2, 3, then 9, then 49,326. Then successor of this number is this number plus 1. Then 49,327 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 2, 3, then 49,328. The last one, 8,009. That means 8, the predecessor of this number is 8,009 minus 1. Then 9 minus 1, 8, then 0, 0, 8. That means 8,008. Successor of this number is this number plus 1. 8,009 plus 1. Then listen here. 9 plus 1 we get 10. Then which number we want to write here? 0. Then 1 carry next place. Then here will come 1. Then 0, 8. That means 8,010. I hope you understand this topic. Successor and predecessor of the number. Successor we want, then that number plus 1. Otherwise we want to find what comes after that number. That means successor means number plus 1. Predecessor means what comes before. That means that number minus 1. I hope you understand how to write successor and predecessor of large numbers. Okay, next I will give you some exercise that you write in your notebook and send through the Google Classroom. Children, this is your worksheet homework. Please write this. Write the numerals. First one 4,623. Then next one 25,931. Write the numerals. Then next one, second question, successor and predecessor. Then here we have number. Then this number predecessor also you want to write. Same number successor also you want to write. Okay. Please write this answer and send through the Google Classroom. Children, I hope you understand how to change number names to numeral and how to write successor and predecessor of the given number. Thank you. Then bye.